Hello, Teacher Pat here with a science tip for you today. This week, I was teaching microbiology to my second and fifth graders. We use a glass slide, which is your rectangular shaped, and then we use a cover slip, which is square. We put the specimen on the slide, and then we cover it with the cover slip. However, I was noticing that my box of cover slips, the majority of them are so scratched, and I just want you to realize how much I paid for this. $7.99 for a box of plastic cover slips. And I was telling my kids that, you know what, that I was going to go buy some more cover slips because, you know, these are all scratched up. And a little girl who I think was brilliant says, "Teacher, why are you going to go buy cover slips? Why don't you just get a plastic and cut them up?" Duh. She's right. I'm like, oh my gosh, how many plastic containers do we throw away? This is a salad container. How many of these do we throw away? Oh my goodness. So what I'm gonna do is get my scissors and just go ahead and cut the outside of this and get it's kind of, I'm going around the edge here where it's thicker, but I'm gonna get all of this cut out, and what I'm gonna do is use my paper cutter and just use this one as a template as far as how wide I'm supposed to do these, and just cut my own. Oh my goodness. What is it with me that I don't think of these great ideas? You know, it takes a 10-year-old to tell me, why are you buying cover slips for $7.99? Oh my goodness. But it's hilarious, which brought me to the idea that I needed to share this with you because I hopefully am not the only one that didn't think of this great idea. But it's great for any of you that are on the other side of the world and don't have, you know, expensive equipment to work with. You know what? You could actually make the slides out of plastic too. I would use one as a template and I would cut it the same size. As long as it's clear to where the light goes through the object, you could use plastic instead of these glass slides. And to me, that's a lot safer. I would say anyone who's working with first graders or maybe kindergartners, I don't know if I would do this with kindergartners, but regardless, it's a safety feature, and you can go ahead and use, you know, plastic instead of glass slides. So there's my tip. I can't really take the credit for it, but I owe it all to a 10-year-old who enlightened me that just use plastic. Hey, this is a great reusable, recycled thing. So I hope this helps you. Happy teaching. Bye-bye. See you next time.